Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, not in today's newspaper on a Saturday, December the 31st, 2022, 1 day to go, and then it will be end of 2022, yes. We have here the letter Sudoku. I've just solved a minute ago, so 2 puzzles are left. The cipher block, tectonic in English, in Japanese suguru, and this one I will start in a few seconds. The Two Stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 5717. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. An 8 in this column. An 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. An 8 in that row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. All right. Then, let me see. Come on. We have 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, 1, 1, 7, 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 6, 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this middle column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there, in the middle column, here or there. We see another 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. Then. 3, 3. Yeah. Come on. 3, 3. I'm still thinking. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. The middle column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes at there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 9. 1, 2, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 1. 2, 2. 1, 2. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 7. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay. Cannot fill this yet or mark those 2 boxes, otherwise it will be a mess. 1 and a 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 9, 9, okay. 1, 1. 2, 2. 7, 7. Wow. Come on. 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in the third column, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 2, 2. Yeah. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. I believe the 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the last row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 5 is missing. 5. Interesting. 3. Yeah, 3 missing. No. 3, 5, 8. 8, 3. 6, 6. About these 2 missing numbers. 3 and 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. You see here 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here 7 in the row below, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this last column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Right. How about I'm thinking 1 2 3 in the two missing numbers in this row. Yeah, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. 3 3 3 3 3. Okay. So we have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes at there. Yeah. 1 number left in this second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Then 9 and 5. 9, 5 and yeah, 9, 5 and 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this column, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So 1 digit left should be the 8. Yeah, the 8. 8, 8. And we have a pair, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. Last row, 6 and 8 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. 9, 5 and 3. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. Well, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. In no. The 3, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 4 and a 5. 4, 5 and a 9. 4, 5 and a 9. So 3 missing numbers now in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and 9 in this box. The 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 9 One box left in this first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have an 8 now in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. It's definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with a 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.